What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I thought I would start something a little bit new with you guys today, seeing as though I'm getting some parts for the next car. Now, I've always wanted red bride Lomaxs, found some on Facebook Marketplace, and ironically it was the guy that bought the bumpers from the Crown. So he's actually going to come around and drop them off, which is great. But I haven't decided what the next car is going to be, guys. So let's jump into this video, I'll show you the seats, and let's have a chat about what we're going to do next and what car it's going to be. So just quickly, before we get into having a chat about this new car, a guy that is selling me the seats and bought the bumpers and so on, he's actually a paint protection film / vinyl wrapper. So I'm gonna get him involved with the Supra. Once that's painted and we've gone past a month, because it has to cure correctly apparently for like a month, then I'm gonna get him to PPF the front bumper, back of the mirrors, in front of the side skirts, in front of the rear pods, things like that, high traffic areas for stone chips. So I'm going to get him involved with that, and we're going to do that to protect the paint. Fresh paint job, don't want to get stone chips as much as I can avoid it, I'm going to. And the other thing I'm going to quickly get him to do, either today or when he's available, is on the Crown. So I'll quickly show you this. As you can see the actual white bumper through the grille. I don't actually like that. I like when you look through a grille, it just to be like a black void or like an intercooler or whatever, which isn't gonna get on this car. So I'm gonna get him to vinyl wrap just this section here. I'd do it myself, but it's probably gonna cost the exact same amount for him to do it as me to buy some. So he's just gonna do that quickly. Then that's gonna be a bit tidier than it is, and I'll prefer it. But that's enough about that. Let's get these seats inside and let's go and have a chat about what this new car is gonna be. So guys, here are the seats. Bright red, bride Lomaxs. I always wanted bright red racing seats in one of my cars ever since I was like 16 years old. I didn't want to do it with the Supra because the Supra just has a really good kind of carbon black red stitching kind of theme in it, and I feel like it's classy, it's nice, and it really goes well. So I don't want to go bright red in there, but this will be for the next car. The next car I want to do with you guys, so it's going to be for the channel. Obviously it's going to be for me as well because I do love all cars, but the decision will be kind of with you guys. So what I'm thinking at the moment is early 2000s E46 coupe. They're sub 5 grand, and the path I want to go down this with you guys is something affordable, something that we can all do. If any of you guys want to be like, oh man, you know, I want a toy car, that one's sick, I'll go and find one, because there are heaps of them. It's not like I found one for 4 grand. I've found them for 2, I found them for 3, I found them for 7, you know, things like that. Different kilometers, different specs, are all different prices. So you can jump in them. I know things like Supras aren't exactly like affordable at the moment because the prices have just gone nuts. So as much as I love building that car, and I will continue to do the rest of the things on the channel, and do how-tos for you guys, whoever wants them, I know that that is like me watching TJ Hunt with, you know, some of his cars. Like I'm not going to be able to jump into an FD tomorrow, you know, they're just really expensive. So I don't expect you guys to do that either. So I would like to do something that is achievable for the majority of us. So if you want to have a toy car on the side and this kind of, you know, revs your engine, you can go with the E46, same as I, maybe. Now, on that, I want you guys to let me know in the comments, what do you suggest? Now, keep in mind, it has to be something either Japanese or Euro, something cool, preferably 2 doors, but if you got something sick that's a 4-door, let's have a look at it, and sub 5 grand in Australia. Because, like I said, I want it to be affordable for everyone. Now, that is one path we can go down. I would like to do both of these paths, but we'll see. The second path is, I could go on Graze Online, find something cheap, fix it up, do a bunch of how-tos with you guys, teach you guys a different platform, learn with you guys on a different platform, and then kind of move that on, and then kind of, you know, whatever that we move that on for, we just throw it back into the channel and do it again. And then we can get a whole bunch of different models of cars. Obviously I'd love to do the E46 on one side and then do the Graze Online car on the other side. But it's obviously money dependent. If we can get to 1,000 subs, we can start getting some ads on these videos. Maybe it's possible. But guys, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what cars you think. Let me know if you think going down the Grays Online path is a good idea, or if it's not, or what you would like to see. Because obviously this channel is to help people. So that's why I think the Grays Online is a good idea, because I can help a bunch of different people on different platforms as we go. And also it's for a bit of fun with another project. So I think the E46 would be good, or whatever you may suggest. I was thinking RX-8, but the prices are starting to climb on those, so I don't know if that's as feasible. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. These are my new seats, and stick around. We've got some more Supra content coming. We've got a little bit more Crown content coming, and obviously anything you guys want to see, either DM me, follow me on Instagram. All my information is down in the description, and let's try and make some more content that you guys love. All right, guys, well, thanks for coming along for this little chat, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.